Hi, Jody White here. As you start to build your assets in GrooveFunnels, one of the things you'll want to be able to do is to add a webinar sign up or registration widget or button onto your funnel page, such as the one you see here. So let's see how to do that. So the first thing we have to do is we have to get the embed code for the widget or button from our webinar software. In this case, we're in WebinarFuel as an example. It'll be different for each software system that you have, but the gist of it's the same. You need to find the code somewhere that you can use, copy it, and then be able to embed it inside GroovePages. And here at WebinarFuel, we have a few different choices of the types of widgets we can use. Like we can use a floater or we can use an embed button. Most people would probably use a button, so let's stick with that. Here's our register now button, and we're going to get the code. And this code not only creates the button, but then encodes the registration action that follows when someone clicks it. So we'll just copy it to the clipboard. Copy. Okay. Now let's go back into GrooveFunnels and find a page that we can use. Here we are in GrooveFunnels. Let's go to GroovePages. And let's start a new site. It's easiest to start from a template, so let's find a template that looks good. Here we go. Here's our digital marketing training course template. Let's select this one. Let's see, webinar registration. Start building. Learn to scale a 7-figure digital marketing agency. Well, that sounds good. And here's the existing button. Now, this is for a standard template page, so if you click on this button, the button is really set up to, link to a URL or a block or something. But this isn't really what we want. That we want the whole, we want to embed our whole button that we got from WebinarFuel into our page. So what do we do with the existing button? Well, we just delete it. So when we select on it here, trash can comes up, we click delete, confirm to delete. Now here's the thing that you need, that we have a custom code section that we want to include in the page. So we have to go under elements to find down to the bottom under other right now where it says code embed. So that's what we want to drag this over to the page. Let this set up. Okay, and then we click to embed the code, click settings. Now we already have our code on the clipboard, so we can just paste it and save it. There we go. Let's save our page. And now preview. So here we go. We're ready to register, and when we click, then we can enter our email and continue the registration process. So this is how it works, that what you need to do is you have to get the embed code for your widget or your button from the webinar software that you have, and then use the custom code embed element inside GroovePages to drop it onto your page so that you can use it. Thanks for watching. Check the rest of our channel content to learn more about GrooveFunnels.